this khaki one color here. By the way, there's a strand here, stretchable strap that can hold this hat pretty well. I'm just gonna hold this under my neck. And if you think this is not that pretty, you can definitely take a bit of the hair. You know, there's a bit on the front of this line, and you can take it on the front. Therefore, you're gonna cover it. Oops, sorry for the messiness I made. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, and same as this side. Hopefully you guys can see. Take this. And then here we go. It's covering all the hair, and also it's secure. If there's a big wind coming in, you can still hold it pretty well, secure. So you don't need to worry it gonna falling off, especially on the beach. There might be a weird big wind to come in, so you definitely can just hold it. You can when you come see the wind out in, you can just hold it, but also this stretch would also help you if you are dancing or running, and this can definitely help you as well. Okay, or the other one. I think this one looks just because I fit this lighter, like bright color better, so I like this one better. But